Hey, it's Audrey from Mom Generations. So I just worked out for the first time today, and actually it's been over a year, because I remember last August I definitely was not working out, and I got pregnant that October. So as you can tell, I'm out of breath. I probably ran / jogged / walked a mile, but I'll tell you what, it felt great. I wanted to get out there. I wanted to do it. You know, there's nothing more important than being healthy for your family, and I have 4 sons, a daughter, and a husband who are relying on me to stay healthy for them. I want to stay healthy for myself too. You're not the best version of you unless you're healthy. So I did it. It wasn't a lot, it wasn't very fast, but I got out there and I did. I've had these workout clothes on all day, kind of just laughing at me, the clothes were, because I wasn't doing anything. And this afternoon I said, you know what, that's it. I'm going to go do it. And I know enough not to go crazy. I'm only 8 weeks out from my C-section, so I definitely had to take it slow. But, I'm glad I did it. I feel great. Feels good. I'm winded. I'm as sweaty as can be. This hat is soaking wet. But it's done. It's in the bag. It makes tomorrow that much easier. And, love to have a little bit of a rally group with me. So if you are a mom, just had a baby, or have little ones, or are just a woman mom that wants to get out there and just do it, and you know that you cannot go crazy and you're not going to be able to go crazy for a while, just kind of want to do something for yourself to keep you healthy, let me know, because I need some accountability to get myself and to keep getting myself out there. So day 1 in the bag.